Hi, in this series of videos we will cover the business cases related to the web and mobile SSO. In Lab 0 we actually registered for a tenant with the Centrify Cloud Service and you're ready to take it for a ride. So the first time I signed into the service, I'm going to be challenged with my password. And when logging into the cloud service, most likely what's going to happen is that you're going to be greeted by the wizard. In my particular case, what I've done is I've skipped it. Okay? We're going to jump right away into settings. And the first thing we're going to accomplish today is we're going to talk about branding. So one of the requirements was to have a certain degree of branding. Typically organizations want to maintain their branding. And the Centrify portal provides that capability that allows people to brand things according to their corporate logos and whatnot. In my particular case, what I've done is I've created a logo for the Centrify blog, and this is going to be our theme. Another thing that we need to do is also change, like for example, the welcome text. For example, this is a demo. Not much to say here, but most likely if you're a corporate entity, you need to maybe have the message proofread. When I sign up for the service, I did it with my Gmail account. Most likely that's going to be the company name. So I want to modify that as well. So, and finally, notice that one thing that you need to notice is that there's several versions of the logo that you may need. You may need a 137 by 35 and a 160 by 36. This is because these images are used in different form factors for screens. So in here also we have the ability to modify templates for maybe how two-factor device enrollment, inviting users via email. These things can be modified as well, but we're going to just do a simple set of steps here. When I'm ready to do that, notice that the branding has been already applied and pretty much everything is customized. The next topic I want to talk to you about is the topic of login suffixes. Most likely when you signed in, you were given a domain suffix that is related to the email address that you used. In a corporate environment, this is going to be different. You have to keep in mind also that you should have at least 2 instances of this service. One for dev and QA, so you can validate when you create your apps and publish your apps, provisioning of users, mobile templates and policies. All these things have to be tested before you put them in production. So at this point, you may add a domain suffix. So in here, we're going to be using centrifying.net because in my environment, what's happening is that I am using the Microsoft Test Lab guides, and notice that I'm using corpcontoso.com. But I'll be doing business at centrifying.net for the internet. And I may actually have to do another one, maybe .info, because I'm using both Office 365 and Google Apps, and they like to register an MX record. So, welcome to this series. We will be doing a lot of use cases based on this, and hopefully this helps. Okay?